welcome to my channel. Today I am doing something that I have never done before. I bought this awesome couch at a thrift store and I am going to be cleaning it up and flipping it to make some money. I bought this really nice mid-century modern style couch. It's really nice quality, though I don't see any brand names on the couch anywhere, so I'm not sure like what brand it is, but you can definitely tell the quality of it is really firm. Fabric's really nice. It has really nice design. So this thing kind of dirty. It's got like pet hair all over it and a kind of an odor. But I'm going to be cleaning it using a upholstery cleaner, and then I'm going to list it to sell it and make some money. So follow along for the journey, and we'll talk about the finances later in this video. So let's get started. So to clean the couch, I'm using a carpet cleaner with an upholstery attachment, and I filled up the tank with some water and cleaner, and then I cleaned the entire couch. It took me about an entire hour to clean the couch and remove all of the pet hair. How dirty that is. Gross. There was still a lot of pet hair that the carpet cleaner did not remove, so I couldn't find my lint roller, so I ended up using stickers to remove all of the pet hair and get the couch completely clean. Next, I took some pictures of it, wrote out a listing description, and posted it Facebook Marketplace. All right, so the couch finally sold. It was listed for quite a while. I was trying to find my kind of ceiling to pricing. I was hoping to maybe get more than I originally thought I could. Originally when I got it, I was thinking I could at least get a couple $100 for it, but then when I started really looking at it and pricing similar couches, I was like, maybe I can get a little bit more. So I first listed it for $800 just to see if I had any interest at it at that price, and I didn't. So I kept relisting it and I kept lowering the price, trying to find where my ceiling was. So I did receive a few messages on it, but no one real serious. I'm not sure if it was maybe the color. I do know that the blue obviously isn't a neutral color, so I'm sure if maybe it was like a gray couch or something, it probably would have sold faster. I did finally manage to sell it, and I was able to sell it for $400. So I turned $40 into $400 with very little work. That is one of my easiest furniture flips I've ever done, and definitely the most money I've ever made on a furniture flip. So obviously with this furniture flip, it did take up a lot of space in my house. I was getting a little nervous when it wasn't selling. I was like, I have this huge couch in my house, and what am I gonna do with it? So I definitely will be more open to flipping couches in the future if I do find some more good ones. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are not already a subscriber to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in a later video.